people say that drinking tea is not good, but still most of us do drink it. So I think all of you will agree with this thing. So hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So in this video we are going to cover up the chapter Tea from Assam, that is third part of Glimpses of India of class 10 CBSE. So before we start the story of this chapter, let me tell you that this is actually related to the origination of tea, and the writer Arup Kumar Datta has tried to make it as interesting as possible because he has told us some fictitious stories also in between this chapter. So let's start. The biggest producer of tea not only in India, rather all over the world. It is known as the tea garden of the world. So you should know this thing. We should proudly know this thing that Assam is called the tea garden of the world. So now when the story starts, actually it is shown that one train compartment is there. Many people are sitting, but among many people, the two central characters of our chapter, two friends, Pranjal and Rajveer, are also sitting over there. Now let me tell you who are these two boys. So Pranjal is actually a boy from Assam, but he is studying in a school in Delhi. And his father is working as a manager at a tea garden in Assam. So now Rajveer is his school friend, means both of them are in a school of New Delhi. Now their summer vacation is going on. That's why Pranjal has invited Rajveer to visit Assam along with him during his summer break. And Rajveer has agreed. So now they both are sitting in a train. They are going to Assam. So when the story begins, we hear chai le lo. In this way, one vendor comes over there. He is serving tea to everybody in clay pots, and most of the passengers in the train, they are having this tea. So both the boys, Pranjal and Rajveer, they also take hot tea and they are sipping it. Now the journey proceeds, and Pranjal is not that much interested in outside scenery, and also he starts reading his favorite detective story book. Although Rajveer was also very fond of reading detective story books, but this time he preferred to look outside at the lush green paddy fields and the beautiful scenery outside that train, because he found it to be very attractive. So now both of the friends, they start a conversation, and Rajveer starts this conversation first because he is pretty excited to visit that new place, and he tells his friend Pranjal that I have already done a lot of research on this tea and everything. He tells him that actually this tea had originated first of all in China in 2700 BC, and then it went to Europe in the 16th century. So in this way, Pranjal is very impressed with the knowledge, or you can say research work of Rajveer. So he also starts participating in the conversation. So now Pranjal tells Rajveer that actually there are so many stories also related to the origin of tea, like how this tea originated. So in this chapter we come to know about two very interesting stories. They are fictitious of course, and but they are very interesting, so we have to know them. Otherwise also from your exam point of view also you should know them. So first story is the story of an emperor who was very fond of drinking boiled water. Means whenever he wanted to drink water, he would boil this water and he would drink it then. So one day when he was sitting under a tree, and suddenly few leaves fell from a twig in his boiling water. So when he took that water, he found that it was giving a very nice flavor. So he got so impressed, and later on he started using those leaves only in his boiled water, and then it came to be known as tea leaves. And in this way tea originated. So this is one story. Another story is that of a saint, and the name of that saint was Bodhidharma, and he was doing meditation, but whenever he would close his eyes, he would feel sleepy. So for just to get rid of the sleepiness, he cut off the eyelids. He cut off his eyelids. So it seems to be very weird, but the story is like this only, that he cut off his eyelids, and then these eyelids turned out to be tea leaves. and then he boiled them into water, and when he took that drink of these tea leaves, then it deprived him from sleep. Means he was able to control his sleep by drinking that tea. So in this way this thing called tea originated. So this is another very interesting but unbelievable story. So you should know the name of the that saint, because in this year MCQs will also be asked, so you have to know all the train reaches at Mariani Junction, so you should know the name Mariani. A car of Pranjal's father has come to pick them. He himself has come there to pick the boys to take them to the tea gardens, and on the way they find that vast tea gardens are there, and many women are tea pluckers. These tea farmers are working over there with big bamboo baskets over on their backs, and small dolls and like this. So all these details are given in your chapter. So Rajveer is very impressed. So one more thing is given here, that when they are going on the way, they find that one big truck is there, and Pranjal's father has to stop his car to provide way to that truck and all. So all these details are there in the chapter. You have to go through the story from your book also. They reach at the Daiki Bari garden. That is the tea garden where Pranjal's father is working as a manager. Daika Bari garden. So I will provide the spelling here. You can check it. And then when they reach over there, then Rajveer discusses so many things related to tea with the father of Pranjal also, and his father also really gets impressed with him, the way he has collected all these things and all. So in this way this chapter comes to an end. So when now we will see in this chapter, and then some word meanings will be there. You can check them because you have to prepare this chapter for board exams, and at last I will provide you some questions also. If you want, you can send their answers in the comment box. I'll definitely check them and provide you guidance. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it fast and share this video with others also, and don't forget to like the video.